Now come to the next series. So 0, 1, 2, 5, 12, 29 and 70. This series is basically known as Pell series. Okay. So in this Pell series, the third term or the next term actually generated by adding the first value with the multiplied 2 by 2 by with the second value. It means this 2 is generated by adding the previous value of first value 0 plus and multiplied by the second value by 2, so into 2. So 0 plus 1 into 2, it becomes 2. Now what is how the 5 is generated? The previous two value is 1 and 2. So first value is going to participate into the addition and the second value is going to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 2, it becomes 4 plus 1, it is 5. Now 12. How 12 is generated? The previous two terms is 2 and 5. So 2, the first value is going to add normally and the second value is going to multiply it by 2. So 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12. So this series is generated by in this technique. Now I'm going to write the program. So before starting the loop, I'm declaring here another two variable and initialize by 0 with the first value and b with the second value. Okay, and declaring another variable, suppose c. And before starting the loop, I'm just I'm just going to print the value of a and b before starting the loop. Okay, so in this portion I am just print the value of a and b. So this two term is already printed. Okay, this two term already printed. Or you can also use the complex if statement within this loop, if else if else statement, and in this way you can also print the 0 and 1 within this loop without writing the value of a and b before the starting the loop. Okay, so if I'm just print the value of a and b before starting the loop, then loop will start from the 1, and as the two value is already printed, so I is run up to n minus 2 terms. So n minus 2 and value is increased by I plus plus, and in this case also the LCB or loop control variable, that is I, is not related with this series. Okay, this value is related with this variable a, b and c. Now within this loop, doing the operation as per the mention here. So a plus b into 2. Okay, now after writing this, I am going to print the c, and then after I am writing a equals to b and b equals to c. Value will generated how? Let's see. So see, a and b is printed, suppose here. So 0 and 1 already printed. So c equals to 0 plus b into 2. It means 1 into 2. So print the 2. So 2 is printed here. And then after a equals to b, it means value of a becomes b. The value of b is 1. So a becomes 1 and b equals to c, and value of c is 2. Now I again run the program. 1 plus 2 into 2, it means 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 5 is printed here. Okay, so in this way this Pell series is solved. Now come to the next program, and this one is the series 10, and which is basically responsible to print the Pell series. Okay, so in the first one I am just initialize the two value, a with 0 and b with 1, and enter the number of terms from the user and store in the variable 2. And before starting the loop, I am just print the two value a and b in these positions, and as the two value is already printed before starting the loop, so loop will execute up to n minus 2 terms, and then after going to add the previous two term like this, the first term plus with the two terms twice of the second term. Okay, and then after I just print the value, and then a is reinitialized with b and b is reinitialized with c. Okay, and now I'm going to run the program and asking the enter the number of terms. So I'm just suppose enter the terms 10 terms. Okay, let's see. Okay, the series will be printed as 0, 1, 2, 5, 12, 29, 70. Okay, as per the question. It is completely correct. So this program is print the Pell Series. Now if I am not interested to print the A and B before starting the loop, then I can use then I can also print this A and B actually within the loop by using the complex if statement. Okay, how? Let's see. So you can see the loop is started from 1 and up to n terms, as I am not interested to print the previous two terms A and B before starting the loop, as it is going to print within the loop. So loop will execute up to n terms, and if I equals to 1, then A is printed. If I equals to 2, B is printed, and for the rest of the other thing portion, other value of I or LCV, it is going to execute this else block. Let's see. I am going to run the program and enter the number of terms, suppose 10 terms, and you can see the result is 0, 1, 2, 5, 12, 29. Yes, this program is also helps to print the Pell series. Okay, so you can print the Pell series by using the previous method or by using this current this method. Okay.